Whatever your mind thinks is not true. Whatever feelings arise, they are not true either. They are the products of the past memory conditioning and painful experiences. Your mind can only think on the past. Your mind is insane because everything that was in the past is not true now. So what the mind is doing, it's overlaying the past onto the present, and that's how it sells you all the stories of not enoughness, insecurity, and various ways how it convinces you of your insufficiency. Pure consciousness does not think. It is now, and now is the only truth.